Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm baking something really soft, simple, and absolutely delicious. This is my condensed milk and butter cake, made without any eggs. It's light, moist, and so easy to make. So stay with me to the end, and let's get started. First, I melted about 4 tablespoons of butter, just enough to make it smooth and creamy. Next, I added about 5 tablespoons of sweet condensed milk. When both are ready, I combined them in a mixing bowl and started stirring gently, just enough to blend the rich, buttery flavor with the sweetness of the condensed milk. Once it was nicely mixed, I added a little water just to make the texture smoother. Keep mixing until everything is well combined and silky. Now it's time for the dry ingredients. I added gluten-free flour, which keeps the cake soft and perfect for anyone. I added 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And finally, these help the cake a pinch of salt beautifully, just to balance out the sweetness. Then I mixed and bring everything together, folding until I got a smooth, creamy batter. After that, I poured the batter into my baking pan. I used a round mold, but you can use any pan you like. I tapped it gently to release any air bubbles. Placed it in a preheated oven. It baked for about 35 minutes until the top turned golden brown, and my kitchen smelled absolutely amazing. You'll know it's ready when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And here it is, my beautiful condensed milk and butter cake, golden on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. I love how simple and quick this recipe is. No eggs, no stress, just pure sweetness. You can enjoy it with tea, coffee, or as a light dessert after a meal. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more homemade recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.